friends, welcome back to my channel Abhi's Beauty Hack. It's Abhi here. In today's video we're going to see a complete review about Goodvibes orange gel. Let's get into the video without wasting much time. So this is a 50 grams package of Goodvibes orange gel. We all know that orange is a rich source of vitamin C. So what is the benefit of vitamin C? If you know, please comment down so that those who don't know may get benefited out of it. Okay, so 50 grams of this package is 175 rupees in Indian money. Okay, it is created for all skin types and is highly recommended for dry skin. So of course this is a bone product for me, I guess. They have mentioned the ways to use. You can directly apply it on your skin or hair or mix with other ingredients to suit a specific concern. Okay, so we all know that all Goodvibes products are free from parabens, sulfates and any other harmful chemicals. It has also possess cruelty-free certificate. So this is the cute tub packaging of Goodvibes orange gel. So when to use this? You can use this whenever you feel your skin is extraordinarily dry. Okay, there are times when you feel your skin is extraordinarily dry and you suffer from the dark patches. Trust me guys, this product it gives a solution to your dry patches almost in an instant. Okay, not only that, the orange, which is a rich source of vitamin C, it helps in boosting your skin color, also reducing the dark spots. I recently suffered from dark spots due to mask knee. Okay, since we are wearing mask in this pandemic, also we cannot actually blame the mask, isn't it? So I suffered a lot, and the mask knee, it left a stubborn scar on my face. And I tried this. It literally, it helped me in reducing the, not completely. It helps in the reduction of appearance to some extent. Okay, so it has a screw open lid type, and the product has given a separator so that it prevents any product leakaging. So this is how it looks from inside. So this is the actual color of it. It is like orange color. So what you'll have to do is the product is quite cold. Okay, when you apply, you feel the cooling effect on your skin, especially when you have the dry skin. Oh my god, that feeling is heavenly. And also the product, it is not like it suits only dry skin types. It helps in controlling your oil. Okay, so what I do is I use this as a moisturizer. Also sometimes I go wash my face, do the toning part, and then straightly apply this as a moisturizer and go to bed. You can also use this product as an alternate to your aloe vera gel. Some people, we use aloe vera gel as a primer. You can definitely use this also. It helps in preventing any harmful chemicals from your makeup entering into your skin. It acts as a barrier for that, and it is also greatly helpful in controlling oil. So oily skin type, you can also use this product. It will be greatly beneficial for you. It moisturizes your skin instantly, as I told before. You could see how nice the product is on application. And another important thing is it dries quickly, which is another boon for the product. It is also suitable to use this product on your hair. Like when you prepare some hair mask, you could take a spoonful of the product and apply it. It gives a silky smooth hair. You can definitely try it. I have also tried, but mostly instead of mixing it up with other products, I love applying it straightly because I'm quite lazy in mixing up things. Okay, so that is the main reason I switched to products than the DIY. But still, DIY, it has its own place. It never fades away. So I think I completed everything. It is a gel-like structure. Okay, it is, so you could see it is exactly the gel-like structure. You could apply easily. It spreads evenly onto your skin, so you will not have to feel for that is, you don't need to take special concern in applying this with a brush or thing. You can simply rub your hands and you're done. And yeah, it helps in improving your skin tone. It helps in fading away your, okay, I think I'm repeating again, so better we'll close this video, that is, we'll stop this video from now. Okay, so yeah, I think I've covered whatever I know about this product. And if you have any queries regarding the product, please, oh my god, okay, if you have any queries regarding the product, you can comment it below. I would feel happy to reply you. And If you want me to do any other product reviews, for sure I'm ready for that. You can comment for that also. And yeah, we'll stop this video right here, and we'll all meet in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Abhi. Take care.